Hi everyone and welcome to Recipe Lounge. How are you all? Thank you so much for joining me. And today I'm making very easy and very quick pakoras, which are made with the soya chunks. So what I have done here is I've taken some chunks, soya ones, and I've soaked them in hot water. I'm going to leave them for about 2 minutes. In this bowl I've got half a cup of chickpea flour, which is besan, and I'm going to go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes and some fresh coriander. And we're going to make a batter. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to this and mix really well. This is how the batter should be. This is the kind of consistency we want, and I've used about 5 tablespoons of water. I'm going to leave this to rest for about 5 minutes. So in this wok I've put the oil in and we're going to get it hot. So I'm just going to take the chunks out, squeeze the water out as much as you possibly can, put them in the batter. So squeeze the water like so and put it in the batter. This is a really easy snack to do. Have it with your tea, have it as an evening snack. Really tasty and very easy to make, less than 5 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix these. Load them really well. If you find the batter has gone a bit dry, just add half a tablespoon of water. But this one, you know, sometimes it does tend to go dry a bit. But this is how it should be. Every single one of the soya chunks should be covered. So like so. And now one by one, once the oil is hot, we can add them. Just to test your oil, just to put a bit of butter in. And if it comes to the top too quick, it means it's too hot. And this just seems to be fine. I'm gonna keep the heat on a medium and put the chunks in one by one. If you put them all together, then they'll tend to stick like so. I hope you will give this recipe a try. I'm frying these on a low heat, low to medium. Don't turn them too quick, otherwise they absorb more oil. So after about 2 minutes, turn them over. You want to like a golden color, more like this color. It'll take about 4 minutes to fry on a medium heat. I mean, if the heat is too you know, on high, then they will cook from outside but not inside. And the besan, you know, the chickpea flour won't be cooked. So this is the color that I wanted, and they look ready. I'm just going to take them out. Nice and crispy. So yes, this is how they're looking, really tasty, and look how crispy they are. So I hope you will give it a go, and look how soft they are as well at the same time. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.